LingoKids, I'm Nathaniel.
And I'm Joseph. Guess who else is here?
Callie and Elliot. Yay!
We're having a holiday party with our family.
I am so excited.
We're bringing something special.
Russian tea cakes. Even though they're called cakes, they're really cookies.
Let's cook these cookies.
Sounds good to me. Let's wash our hands.
This recipe has a lot of ingredients.
I know, I measured them.
Excellent. It's a good idea to get everything ready before you start.
I was just measuring the nuts. We need 1 cup. I already measured the butter.
Powdered sugar,
Vanilla extract,
flour,
salt,
and extra powdered sugar for on top.
Mm-mm.
Nice job. Now we toast the nuts.
But not in the toaster.
Ha! You're right. We toast them on the stove.
Remember, everything on the stove is hot, hot, hot.
Then you put them in the bag.
And we crush. Crush, crush, crush.
If you're allergic to nuts, you can leave them out of the recipe. Now we make the dough. We add butter and powdered sugar in the mixing bowl.
Mix, mix, mix.
Add in the vanilla and make sure it's mixed in. Now we add the flour and salt.
And we mix some more. There's a lot of mixing in this recipe. When it looks like this, it's time to add the nuts. Now we wrap the dough and we get it cold. I'm getting excited for the holiday. The dough is cold. Now we get to roll the dough into little balls. And then we get to roll it into powdered sugar.
And then they go on the baking sheet. These look delicious. Don't these look like golf balls, Nathaniel?
Like little golf balls.
Delicious golf balls. Giant cookie.
Can we make these every day?
You take the last one. There you go.
Yay! Now we bake them in a hot, hot oven. Better let an adult do this. My friend calls these cookies snowballs.
These cookies have a lot of names. People eat them in Europe, Russia, Australia, the United States, the Middle East, and Mexico, and probably other places too. They're eaten all around the world.
Cool. Yes, they're done! We waited for the cookies to cool off after baking. Now we roll them into powdered sugar again. Let's try these together. 1, 2, hey!
Perfect for our holiday party.
Everybody will love these.
Party!
I wish you could taste this. You can make it too. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Check out the recipe.
Catch you in the kitchen.